I am Dr. C.L. Venkatrao. Pineapple. Pineapple, it's a wonderful fruit. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B1 thiamine, vitamin B6 pyridoxine, manganese, vitamin C, and plenty of fiber. Pineapple has got 10 amazing health benefits. Number 1, it promotes the digestion process. It prevents indigestion. It prevents bloating, gas trouble, acidity. Number 2, it promotes the process of vision. It prevents early onset of cataracts. The lens present inside the eye, it will not allow to become opaque or non-transparent. Number 3, the hair will become silky, shiny, black, long, and it prevents a hair loss as well. For men, it prevents baldness. Dandruff also can be prevented by using pineapple. Number 4, young unmarried youth, they will be worried about the pimples on their face. It is called acne, A-C-N-E, acne. These pimples will be worrying the unmarried youth. If you start consuming pineapple, automatically your pimples will disappear. It will not allow the pimples to form black marks also. Your face becomes shiny, smooth, very pleasing and beautiful. It prevents premature aging by not allowing the wrinkles to form on the face and the skin. That means premature aging is prevented. Number 5, it tackles the free radicals that are responsible for cancer, prevents the cancer of mouth, throat, and breast also. Number 6, it keeps the skin shiny, glowing. It will not allow the fungus to creep in. It will not allow the summer boils and pustules to form, and your skin will be beautiful and attractive. Number 7, people are obese and stout. If you start consuming pineapple, the weight will come down because the pineapple is very rich in fiber. That fiber helps you. Number 8, it improves the immunity of the body and pineapple acts as a immune booster. It will not allow the bacteria, virus and fungus to enter into the body. Even it does not allow the COVID virus to enter into the body. Number 9, the presence of vitamin C helps to maintain a good oral hygiene. There will not be any smell generated from the mouth. It prevents the bleeding from the gums. It prevents the decay of the tooth. Number 10, it prevents the joint pains, especially the knee joint pains, backache, neck pains. In elderly people, whoever consumes pineapple, they will be relieved of the joint pains and backache. So, pineapple is a wonderful fruit. It is worth consuming at least 3 to 4 days a week by all the family members. Enjoy pineapple, and these health benefits will go a long way in preventing the diseases as well as keeping you happy and healthy.